What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more reviews for the iPad Pro 11. Have it right here, and I got a new case that I just got in from the company Ceylon Crafts. This is a 100% genuine leather sleeve for the iPad Pro 11. Let's check it out. So as mentioned, this is a sleeve, not a total case, but just a sleeve. Now you notice in here, it's full-on leather all the way around. This is hand-stitched, has a nice brass clasp right here that's gonna protect your iPad and keep it closed at all times. Goes in, hinges, does not come out until you press this and push it back. So nice construction, nice leather material, handmade. It's a nice product. Now, let's talk about what the features are. So when you open this up, you got a spot for your iPad in the back. Then in the middle part right here, this portion can actually house paperwork, things of that nature. And then you actually have a slot up front for business cards or even credit cards that you may want to keep right in there. Now, what's notable about this is that your iPad is going to go in here. Pencil stays attached. You drop it in, pencil up top, fold it over, and there you go. Now you get a nice snug fit in there. iPad fits in really well. They make this for the iPad 11 as well as the iPad 12.9, and these are for the Pro editions only. So nice configuration. Pop that loose. There you go. You got your iPad in here. You got your pencil. Now, the only thing about this is you're not going to be able to put a case on this if you're carrying it in here. But the leather material is extremely premium. It's going to protect your iPad from bumps and scratches. I'm not so sure it's going to protect against falls just because there's no padding here. You only get the leather material. But it's a great way to carry your iPad in style if you're a business professional, if you want to show off this leather, if you have other leather materials, you can carry this around in style. This is probably one of the most classy iPad cases that I've had to date. So I think this one is a pretty good buy, and you can pick this up. It's on sale right now. The regular price is about $199. You can get this for like $150 right now. I'm gonna drop a link below so you can check this out. This is a 100% leather, hand stitched. Now remember, you're paying for the quality because this is gonna last. So you may say that is a really steep price for this, but you're actually paying for the quality on this. Hand stitching, it's leather, 100% premium. And if you look at the stitching, it's on point. It's really on point. And each one of these cases are gonna be basically a little different because the leather wears in different spots and it looks better as it ages. So like I said, the link will be below. You can check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.